you follow anymore. Don't you follow anymore. You'd better find yourself a door. It's sure to lead you to more. Well, 15 was hard, now that's 10 years ago. Somebody told you that you'd never see the time go away. Now I must admit that it looks as though you've lost your way in this world. Look out for old number one, I think I heard you say to that girl. Don't you follow anymore. Don't you follow anymore. You better find yourself a door. It's sure to lead you to more. Seen you at home with a tear in your eye, money in your wallet. You need a project to occupy some of your time. Should I say kill it? Rescue the shipwrecked or feed on the hungry kids with ideas. Some child was begging for answers and you gave him this. That's a good one. Don't you follow anymore. Don't you follow anymore. You'd better find yourself a door. It's sure to lead you to more.